What's up, guys? It's me, Lucas170 Dude. Today we got another Beyblade X unboxing from Hasbro. I got these from my local Target for like $10 each. We got Leon Claw, or in Hasbro, Claw Leon. It's got your 560 ratchet and then your point bit, balance type. We also have Knight Lance, or Lance Knight in Hasbro. It's got a 480 ratchet and then a high needle bit. I like this one because of the color scheme. Let's let it rip. We'll say goodbye to that box. It's destroyed. We got these two little light launchers. These things are garbage, and just toss those on the side. Instructions. Who needs instructions? I think that color scheme is nice. I like that, the green and blue. If you guys didn't notice, my favorite color is blue. You can't tell by my car and peripherals. Alright, just got all the parts out. Let's take a look. Leon Claw blade. Here's a, I think it's a 560. 5 points, 60 height. Here's the bit, it's a point. It's a balance tip, basically. It's got a point in the middle and just chill in the center. This one is 580, I believe. Or is it 560? I don't know, man. $480. I really like this color of green. This blue is nice too. It's like a Gatorade blue. Here's a bit, high needle, defense type, so it will stay in the center. Let's go do some test battles. Moving on to the test battles, we're gonna give each one of these a launch. Here's the Knight Lance. Defense type, spinning in the center. Here's Leon Claw. Oh! Oh! Good. Wing Phoenix. A good hit. Oh! Extreme finish. And the first two. Leon Claw. Scythe. Defense type versus defense type. KO. The extreme one right there. Looks like stamina's gonna be able this one. By hitting the ratchet. It's only problem with having a high height. Oh, recoil. Alright, that concludes our video for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.